बजट पर आज वित्त मंत्री निर्मला सीतारमण ने संसद में अपना जवाब दिया। वित्त मंत्री ने 23 जुलाई को बजट पेश किया था। बजट की चर्चा पर सदन में जवाब देते हुए वित्त मंत्री ने कहा कि ये बजट विकसित भारत के लिए है और इसका स्थिरता के साथ साथ निर्माण पर फोकस है। उन्होंने कहा कि मोदी 3.2 का विजन विकसित भारत है और ये बजट उसी दिशा में है जिसे भौगोलिक विकास के हिसाब से बनाया गया है। वित्त मंत्री ने कहा कि कोरोना के बाद भी आर्थिक ग्रोथ की रफ्तार बनी हुई है और भारत दुनिया में तेजी से बढ़ती इकोनॉमी है।
The budget actually seeks to consolidate all the earlier accomplishments. It also outlines measures in order that we overcome the challenges, and two core elements have been highlighted. One is the social inclusivity, that is reaching out to all strata of the people in the society, and geographical inclusivity through equitable development for all the regions in our country. So we are taking a whole of nation approach and now seeking to make sure that we fulfill the aspirations of our people. One feature which has marked India's growth story post the COVID, it is the capital expenditure which the public money with which we are building assets, meaning government's own expenditure to build assets, to build capital expenses, are the ones, capital expenditure is the one which has actually enabled us to come out of COVID, whilst many other countries in the world are doing very many different things. But yet this one tested formula of depending on the multiplier which comes out of spending on public expenditure, spending on capital expenditure through public money, has actually yielded us such results that post-COVID, consistently we've maintained high growth rate and we are the fastest growing in the world as a result of this very clear government's approach.